Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica. This is my fashion beauty channel. Today's video we are going to be looking at the Boxy charm I received for the month of April. I know it's late and that's because I'm in Canada and I always get it late. I don't know why. I mean, I know why. It's because I'm in Canada, but yeah. So this is what the box looks like. You open it up. And this month's theme was Peace, Love, and Boxy, and I guess that's because Coachella was going on this month. So here's what the box looks like inside with the products, and I'll show you what we got. So basically, if you're Canadian, Boxy charm costs $33 Canadian a month. And generally the products value over, I'd say like $110 to $150 Canadian each month. I was signed up like all year last year, and then January, February, March I took a break, and then I started back in April this month. So anyways, first thing in item, this is the Summer Days brush set by Boxy. And you've got 3 brushes in here. It looks like 2 eye brushes and a face brush. So that's what they look like. I love getting brushes. Some people are always, sometimes when you see like the comments under like Boxy's Instagram and stuff, and they're like, oh, no more brushes. I love brushes. Send me all the brushes. I want them all. So this retails for $28 US. So that's a pretty good deal. That pays for your box right there. The next thing we got is Beauty for Real Finish Line Liquid Liner in Jet Black. Listen, I can never have enough liquid liners. This has a, okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. And it's got a felt tip. I don't know if you can see it there. And let's see. Ooh, it's a thick one. I like that. That's what it looks like. And there's no bleeding. Ooh, that's great. Good stuff. So this one was Beauty for Real Finish Liquid Liner, $16 US for this liner. The next thing we got is the Artist Couture Mr. Mac Daddy himself Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Summer Haze. I know I got one in another box. I think I got Illuminati or... Oh, this is like a peachy gold. These ones retail for $27 US. So that's what it looks like right there. It's a pinky peachy shimmer. It's pretty. Should we try some on? Ooh, let's use one of these brushes and put some on. Don't mind me because I just did like a makeup look video, and then I took the eye makeup off because I want to try the palette that we got in this Boxy charm. So I know I look cray, but it's all good. So it comes with this little sifter there. I'm just gonna put some in my cap here. Holy smokes! Wow. Yeah, so you definitely don't need a lot. It's a pretty color though, I like that. And I told you, it was $28 US for that one. Next thing we got is a mascara from Butter London. It's called Power Up Mascara. This retails for $20 US. And this is supposed to lengthen, define, and retain the curl for all-day wear with the first swipe. A unique oil-free blend of nourishing waxes instantly produces noticeably longer and more defined lashes. A second swipe adds thickness and volume without clumping. It's supposed to be smudge-free. It has jojoba extract, water-resistant polymers to reduce smudging and flaking for a full 8 hours. That's a lot of claims for this mascara. We're going to try that after we put on the palette. Alright, so this is the palette that we got in this month's Boxy. It's from Pure. I think this is the third Pure Cosmetics palette that I got in my Boxy charm over the the months. This is called the Festival palette, if I can get it open. I really like Pure Cosmetics palettes. I like their eyeshadows. I think the formula's good, they blend well, and yeah, I enjoy them. So, you've got a couple different finishes in here. We've got matte, satin, metallic, and some glitters. So that's what it looks like. Oh. Wow. Okay. So those are some swatches there. Look at that glitter. Like, I thought it was like a loose glitter, but it's like a pressed glitter. I really like that. Okay. Let's see what I'm gonna do now. Alright. So that was everything that I got in the box.